In this video, we're diving into part 2 of the top trending open-source GitHub projects this week. We've scoured the open-source community to bring you the most innovative and exciting projects. From AI-powered coding agents to revolutionary language models and tools that simplify AI deployment, we'll explore each project step by step, uncovering their unique features and potential impact. Get ready to discover your next favorite open-source tool.
Welcome back to BIG-AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Evo2, Genome Modeling and Design Across All Domains of Life. Evo2 is a cutting-edge DNA language model designed for long-context modeling and design, setting it apart with its ability to model DNA sequences at single nucleotide resolution across an extensive context length of up to 1 million base pairs. This is achieved through the striped Hyena 2 architecture. The model was pre-trained using Savannah and trained autoregressively on OpenGenome 2, a dataset of 8.8 trillion tokens from all domains of life. What makes Evo2 particularly unique is its capacity for long context modeling, enabling it to capture dependencies and relationships within very long DNA sequences. This is crucial for understanding complex genomic structures and functions. Evo2 allows users to score the likelihoods across a DNA sequence. Also, Evo2 embeddings can be saved for use downstream. Evo2 distinguishes itself through its broad applicability across all domains of life, owing to its training on the comprehensive OpenGenome 2 dataset. This pre-training data includes raw FASTAs and SOML files with pre-processing and data augmentation. The model supports various functionalities, including forward sequence scoring, generating embeddings for downstream tasks, and DNA sequence generation based on prompts. The resource provides pre-trained model checkpoints, including models with 1 million context length obtained through context extension and smaller base models. These checkpoints are hosted on Hugging Face. Evo2 is also available on NVIDIA NIM. Evo2 requires Python 3.11 or higher and, for some layers, Transformer Engine FP8, which necessitates an H100 GPU or another GPU with compute capability greater than or equal to 8.9. However, the developers are exploring ways to reduce this hardware requirement. To use the Evo2 4DB model, multiple GPUs are needed, with Vortex managing device placement. Project number 2, Scira, the minimalistic AI-powered search engine. Scira is a search engine that stands out for its minimalistic design and powerful AI capabilities, designed to help you find information on the internet efficiently. What makes Scira unique is its use of AI to provide answers to your questions, powered by the Versal AI SDK. This allows for AI model integration and streaming, enhancing the search experience. One of Scira's key features is its web search capability, utilizing Tavily AI for search grounding. This ensures that the information you receive is relevant and accurate. Additionally, Scira offers URL-specific search, allowing you to extract information from a particular web page. Scira also provides features like weather updates, the ability to run code snippets in multiple languages, and maps using various APIs. Scira can search YouTube videos, providing timestamps and transcripts, conduct academic searches, and search for posts on x.com, all powered by EXA.ai. Furthermore, it includes a flight tracker and information on trending movies and TV shows. Scira supports several large language models, LLMs, including xAI's Grok, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Meta's Llama 3.370b, DeepSeek R1, and OpenAI's O3 Mini. It is built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Shatn/UI, and utilizes various APIs such as those from OpenWeather, E2B, Google Maps, Mapbox, TripAdvisor, and Aviation Stack. To use Scira, you can deploy your own instance or set it as your default search engine in your browser. You can also run it locally using Docker or Node.js, ensuring you have the necessary API keys from providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Tavily. Project number 3, OpenEvals, Evaluating LLM Applications. OpenEvals is a tool designed to help you evaluate your large language model, LLM, applications, much like tests in traditional software development. This package provides a starting point for writing evals, which can then be customized to fit specific application needs. If your focus is on evaluating LLM agents, OpenEvals suggests exploring the AgentEvals package. What sets OpenEvals apart is its LLM as judge functionality, where another LLM is used to evaluate the outputs of your primary LLM application. The create_LLM_as_judge function takes a prompt and a model as input, returning an evaluator function that formats inputs and parses the judge LLM's outputs into a score, while also tracing and logging results via Langsmith. OpenEvals includes pre-built prompts for common evaluation criteria like correctness, conciseness, and hallucination. For example, the correctness prompt scores the accuracy of an LLM's output, using inputs, outputs, and optional reference outputs as parameters. Similarly, the conciseness prompt assesses how briefly an LLM provides an answer. The hallucination prompt checks whether the output is factual using inputs, outputs, and context. OpenEvals supports customization of prompts, models, and output scores. You can use f-strings, LangChain prompt templates, or functions to define prompts, and you can customize the model used for evaluation by passing a string formatted as provider, model, or a LangChain chat model instance. The tool also allows you to customize output scores by setting whether the evaluator should return a float score between 0 and 1, or by defining a list of possible scores. Project number 4: Roo Code, the AI-powered autonomous coding agent. Roo Code, formerly known as Roo Klein, is an AI-powered autonomous coding agent designed to live right inside your editor, aiming to make software development more efficient. What makes Roo Code unique is its ability to act as a flexible coding partner capable of communicating in natural language, reading and writing files, running terminal commands, automating browser actions, and integrating with various APIs. It adapts to different roles through customizable modes, functioning as a system architect, QA engineer, or product manager. Roo Code stands out with its adaptive autonomy, offering manual approval, fully autonomous operation, or a hybrid approach. This allows you to maintain control while automating routine tasks. It supports various APIs and models, including OpenAI-compatible options, allowing different models per mode. The tool also provides usage tracking. Its custom modes feature lets you define the agent's persona, instructions, and permissions, making it a versatile tool for different development needs. Roo Code can create and edit files, respond to errors, track changes, run terminal commands, and automate browser sessions for testing and debugging. It can be extended with new tools using the Model Context Protocol, MCP. Additionally, Roo Code offers context mentions to help focus on relevant details, such as embedding file contents, folder structures, workspace errors, URLs, and Git history. You can install Roo Code directly from the VS Code Marketplace or OpenVSX. Project number 5: VLM R1. Solve visual understanding with reinforced VLMs. VLM R1 is a large vision language model, VLM, that distinguishes itself through its stability and generalizability, achieved via reinforced learning techniques. What makes VLM R1 unique is its R1-style architecture, which has been shown to offer advantages over traditional supervised fine-tuning (SFT) approaches, especially in out-of-domain scenarios. Specifically, VLM R1 leverages both R1 and SFT methods when training Qwen 2.5 VL for referring expression comprehension (REC). The results indicate that while the SFT model performs slightly worse than the R1 model on in-domain test data, its performance significantly deteriorates as the number of steps increases on out-of-domain test data. In contrast, the R1 model demonstrates consistent improvement. This highlights VLM R1's ability to maintain and improve performance in diverse and unseen scenarios, making it a robust solution for visual understanding tasks. To get started with VLM R1, the project's repository provides detailed setup and training instructions, including using GRPO, presumably a reinforcement learning method, and SFT approaches. The repository also provides scripts for data loading and training, as well as evaluation scripts, to assess model performance. Furthermore, the project supports training on custom datasets with a specific SOL format, allowing users to adapt the model to their unique tasks and data. This involves specifying image paths and corresponding conversations for training the model. The VLM R1 project acknowledges the contributions of other open-source resources like DeepSeek, OpenR1, and QuenVL, highlighting its position within the broader AI community. Project number 6: BIG-AGI, the AI suite for professionals. BIG-AGI is an AI suite designed for professionals, offering a blend of functionality, aesthetics, simplicity, and speed. What makes BIG-AGI stand out is its ability to provide advanced AI/AGI functions through state-of-the-art models, all within a polished user experience. BIG-AGI is powered by the latest models from 15 vendors and open-source servers. It supports a wide array of AI functionalities, including AI personas, multi-model chats, text-to-image generation, voice interactions, response streaming, code highlighting and execution, and PDF importing. One of the key features of BIG-AGI is Beam, a multi-modal AI chat that helps users find better answers faster, making it ideal for brainstorming, decision-making, and creative tasks. Approximately 35% of free users utilize Beam daily to compare different models. BIG-AGI also incorporates an AIX framework that allows for scaling features, and the user interface is designed for speed. The platform supports various models, including OpenAI, DeepSeek, and Gemini. BIG-AGI also provides features like chat cost estimation, the ability to save and load chat files, major enhancements to the auto diagrams tool, and a YouTube transcriber persona for interacting with video content. BIG-AGI supports side-by-side split windows for multitasking with parallel conversations and multi-chat mode for messaging everyone at once. It offers voice calls, accessibility features for screen readers, and the ability to export chats to Markdown. The platform also includes a Find Chats function with frequency ranking and command auto-completion. BIG-AGI allows users to configure numerous AI models from vendors like Google, Mistral, and OpenAI, as well as open-source servers like LocalAI and Alima. It also offers integrations for web browsing, web search, code editing, and sharing, enhancing its utility for developers and other professionals. Project number 7, Ghidra, Software Reverse Engineering Framework. Ghidra is a software reverse engineering (SRE) framework developed by the National Security Agency's Research Directorate, designed to provide a comprehensive suite of tools for analyzing compiled code across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. What truly distinguishes Ghidra is its combination of high-end software analysis tools within a single, versatile framework. It brings together capabilities like disassembly, assembly, decompilation, graphing, and scripting, making it a go-to platform for anyone diving deep into software. One of Ghidra's standout features is its extensive support for a wide variety of processor instruction sets and executable formats. This broad compatibility means you can analyze a diverse range of software, regardless of its underlying architecture. Ghidra's flexibility extends to its operational modes, as it can be run interactively for hands-on analysis or in automated modes for streamlined workflows. For those looking to customize their experience, Ghidra supports the development of custom scripts and extensions using Java or Python. Originally, Ghidra was created to tackle the challenges of scaling and collaboration in complex SRE projects, making it a highly adaptable research platform. The NSA has utilized Ghidra to dissect malicious code and pinpoint potential vulnerabilities in networks and systems. The project is open to contributions, encouraging users to submit bug fixes, improvements, and entirely new features. However, it's crucial to be aware that certain Ghidra versions have known security vulnerabilities, so checking the security advisories before use is always a good idea. Project number 8, PapersGPT for Zotero, your AI-powered research assistant. PapersGPT for Zotero is a groundbreaking plugin that transforms how you interact with research papers by enabling you to chat directly with your PDFs within Zotero. What truly sets PapersGPT apart is its deep integration with Zotero, combined with its extensive support for a wide array of state-of-the-art large language models, LLMs, encompassing both commercial and open-source options. This empowers you to ask questions, extract key insights, and manage your research papers with unparalleled efficiency. With PapersGPT, you can leverage the power of various LLMs such as DeepSeek, GPT, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, 5.4, Llama 3.2, Gemma, and Mistral to enhance your research. For Mac users, the plugin offers the convenience of downloading and using open-source models with a single click after a free registration, ensuring your data remains private through local storage. The plugin's commitment to data security is further reinforced by its use of local RAG modules for embeddings, vector database, and re-ranking. To begin using PapersGPT, simply download the papers.xpi plugin and install it via Zotero's add-ons menu. Once installed, activate the plugin with a quick key command and start engaging with your PDFs. PapersGPT allows you to summarize papers, pinpoint key concepts, and generate insights for literature reviews. It also streamlines collaboration by enabling you to share annotated PDFs and responses with colleagues. Plus, you can easily save, export, and share your extracted insights and annotations. The project thrives on community contributions, inviting users to submit pull requests or report issues on GitHub. Project number 9, Just Chat, the ultimate tool for effortless AI agent deployment. Just Chat is designed to drastically simplify the creation and deployment of language model, LLM agents. What sets Just Chat apart is its focus on ease of use and rapid deployment, allowing users to get their AI assistant up and running with just a few commands. This is achieved through containerization with Docker or Podman, eliminating the need for complex installations or dependency management. To start, you simply clone the repository and run docker compose up. This command launches a chat interface accessible at 0.0.0.0:3000, where you can immediately begin interacting with your AI agent. Just Chat allows you to customize your agent's personality and capabilities via a YAML configuration file. You can further extend its functionality by adding custom Python tools to the /agent_tools directory. Just Chat supports modern models like DeepSeek Reasoner, ChatGPT, and Llama 3.3. While a free Grok key is provided initially, it is recommended to obtain your own API key due to rate limits. The key features of Just Chat include agent configuration via YAML files, customizable Python tools for extending agent capabilities, and a chat web interface. This project is supported by Heels and IBIMA. The application uses environment variables to store API keys for various language model providers. A default configuration file is created under env/.env.keys during the initialization process. You can customize these keys to enable integrations with your preferred LLM providers. Project number 10, Cherry Studio, your desktop hub for multiple LLM providers. Cherry Studio is a desktop client designed to support multiple large language model (LLM) providers available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. What makes Cherry Studio unique is its ability to integrate various LLM cloud services and local models into one application. This allows users to access a diverse range of AI models without needing separate applications for each provider. Cherry Studio supports major LLM cloud services like OpenAI, Gemini, and Anthropic, as well as AI web service integrations like Claude, Perplexity, and Poe. Additionally, it supports local models through Allama and LM Studio. Cherry Studio offers a range of features including over 300 pre-configured AI assistants and the ability to create custom assistants. It supports multi-model simultaneous conversations, allowing users to compare responses from different models. The platform also supports document and data processing for various file types like text, images, Office documents, and PDFs. Additional features include WebDAV file management, mermaid chart visualization, and code syntax highlighting. The platform enhances user experience with cross-platform support, light/dark themes, transparent windows, and complete markdown rendering. Cherry Studio is designed to be ready to use without requiring environment setup. The developers plan to add quick pop-up features, comparison of multi-model answers, SSO login support, networking support for all models, plugin functionality, browser extensions, and mobile clients. To contribute to the project, users can fork the repository, create a branch, submit changes, and open a pull request. That wraps up our look at this week's top trending open-source GitHub projects. We hope you found these projects as exciting as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in open source. Which project are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.